Get the eggs.
That's a fake one that he threw.
Get the egg.
He threw that one.
See, look at the egg. Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Put it in there.
He's gonna put it in the cart.
There you go, give it to Ted.
Oh, got it. Thank you. Come around the other way next time.
Here, come on.
Here, put that ring down, kiddo. Be serious about this.
Find the eggs. Find the eggs. Where's the eggs? Look over there.
Where's the lawnmower?
Look over there. Get the egg.
Where are you with basket?
Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket.
Yay!
Yay! Look, look. Look.
Oh, look, Puppy.
Look on the lawnmower. Get the egg. Get the egg.
Get that one, Papa. Yay!
Here. No, here.
I'll throw it.
Put it here.
Throw it, attaboy, throw it.
Yeah.
Come here. Come on.
Look at your more eggs, Papa.
Look. Look. Look it.
Ooh.
Yeah. Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket.
Heck no, he's taking it to Grandpa.
You're not gonna go the other way.
How'd you luck out, Grandpa?
And he ain't going around the other way either.
Come here, there's more.
Look here, look, look. Look. Look.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Get it, Puppy.
Oh, he found one
Ah.
without any help.
Here. Put it in the basket. Oh, look.
Ooh, another
Here, you want to put them in the
one.
basket? Put them in the basket. Nope.
No, they go to Grandpa.
Ted, you're getting the eggs whether you like it or not.
All right. There you go. Thank you. Give you the other one? Okay, thank you.
Rotten for the rotten.
Got them all right here, okay?
Come on, Eliza. Come on, get that
Go right
other one.
there. Yeah.
Ooh, look, Puppy.
Look, look. Right here. Look. Yeah. Look over there. On the car. Look on the car. Look up. Look on the car.
Want to drive?
Look on the car. Yeah.
Oops.
Put it in here. Yeah. Yeah. One for Grandpa.
Go to Grandpa? You take him to Grandpa?
Would you bring them back to me? Come here.
That should. Oh no. One
Thank
more.
you. Well, I got 5 of them.
Look. 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 Look.
Nope, I
Look,
see
right
another
here.
one.
Right here. That's the empty one.
Right here. One over here.
Yeah? Yeah, here. You want to put it in the basket?
Right,
Nope.
Nope, goes to Grandpa.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Oh, that's a phony one, huh? That's a plastic one.
Where's Gary? He's got one.
Elijah, come here.
Where? Oh, Gary got one up there?
Come here. Hey, Elijah. Hey.
Attaboy.
Look. Hey.
Oh.
Dad. Oh.
No, you can't have this one, Grandpa.
Roll that one down the slide some more.
Nah.
Here, give these to Grandpa too.
Well, that should be it.
Okay, hey, you got one for me? Alright, thank you.
Yay!
Here,
You
Lisha.
got them all.
Give those to Grandpa. Here,
Give those
take
to
the whole
Mama.
thing. Take the whole thing. Give that to him.
Yeah, come on, we won't give them to Mama. She's gonna make deviled eggs.
That's it.
Yeah.
Give me some food.
Okay, I got it. Uh-oh, nope, I can't get it out. There we go.
That's it.
3 more.
Got them all?
Yeah.
Did you get an egg, Elvis, or what?